Kunal, coming first to you. You have two sell calls today. Which are the stocks? And talk to us about what are the trends you're reading on their charts.
Good morning, Karanya. Yes, I think the weakness today, which you see in the markets today, is something which is very important to take note of because we've managed to break a critical support for the Nifty. I think more than that, even there was this gap up opening which was there for the Nifty. Where yesterday the index had opened with a gap up and it had built onto these gains. Now in the last 2 months, we've not seen a filling up of the gap phenomena happening, but for today, we've seen the first sign of filling up of gap for the index. So I think that could probably result into the index going into some bit of a downward drift from a near-term view. So I would suggest a couple of sell calls. The first one is a sell on M&M Finance. I think that stock is showing signs of mild reversal on the short-term charts, specifically on the hourly time frame charts. It's broken below its major key short-term support level as well. So I would expect M&M Finance to correct from here on as well, expecting a fall closer to 160 for the stock. So that's the target range for M&M Financials, and stop loss could be kept at 175. The second would be a sell, and that would be a bit of a high risk sell. It's a sell on Tata Motors. Now, the stock has been doing exceptionally well. There are no two doubts about it on the long-term charts. But on the shorter term charts, there is a fatigue which is coming across. We've seen some selling pressure emerging. Whenever the stock tries to cross by that 180 and 185 zone as a hurdle. So I would expect some selling pressure which could emerge into the stock price even from a short term view. So purely a short term trade, expecting Tata Motors to drift down slightly from current levels to a target of 170 to approximately, and stop loss could be kept at 183.
Okay, sure. Thanks for that, Kunal. Hi, Ashish. Good morning. What's on your radar today as far as a high risk and low risk idea goes? And are there even, do you even recommend taking long positions right now?
Yes, in my view, market will keep on offering such opportunities where you are having 300, 400 points down market, and this is that a real good time to buy stocks. Because one thing is that the FI flows, which we have seen in last few months, will continue because there are not too many emerging markets which are offering the kind of return what Indian markets are offering. So bullish trend is going to continue, and I think market like today should be used to garner the stocks which you might have missed in the rally. So, as far as stock ideas are concerned, my low risk idea is Route Mobile Limited. Earlier, also, I covered this idea on your channel, and again, I am very bullish on Route Mobile Limited future prospects per se. Again, to give you example, their nearest peer set in US is Twilio Incorporation, which is also cloud communication company. And in this particular year, they have seen their stock moving up by almost 225%. So this is a $50 billion company, and the Route Mobile is a 6,500 crore company, and the sky is the limit for now cloud communication companies because the way digital economies are moving, these companies are going to do phenomenally well. There's very limited floating stock now in this stock because a lot of institutions have entered in the stock post listing. So I'll recommend this stock to buy with a price target of 1,300 rupees. As far as high risk stock is concerned, I like to buy a infra company named Delhi Buildcon Limited, which is India's number two company as far as EPC business is concerned after L&T. So they are having almost 25,000 crore executable order book in which they are going to execute in the next 2 to 3 years. And another 5,000 crore worth of orders are expected to come in the next 6 months. Besides this, they are also in final stage of divesting their ham-based projects, so it will ease out more on cash flows. So Delhi Bilcon, in my view, is a good bet. Stock has seen 1,000 plus levels also in previous year, but at 400 rupees is a very good buy. So my target for this stock will be 500 rupees.